How Assam almost became a part of East Pakistan. On 24 March 1946, the fate of Assam as a region became a cause of difference between the Muslim League and many Assamese Congress leaders. On this day, a cabinet mission was sent to India to discuss the transfer of power from British government to Indian leaders. It included Pethick Lawrence, Sir Stafford Cripps and A.V. Alexander.
Hello, I'm Shaina and welcome to Discover Assam series. We make informative videos on history, geography and culture of Assam. And today, let's just simply understand how Gandhiji helped Assam Congress leaders to execute a plan of action against a cabinet mission. But before that, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
What was the cabinet mission's plan? The cabinet mission proposed a three-tier administrative structure and the provinces to be divided among three groups A, B and C. The majority Hindu provinces like Bombay and Madras were to be included in Group A, while Punjab, Sindh and Balochistan in Group B and Bengal and Assam to be part of Group C. This grouping system caused a deteriorating political situation in Assam because the Group C was deliberately created to produce a Muslim majority zone in eastern India, that is, present-day Bangladesh. Assam Congress leaders and cabinet mission. Discover APSC like never before. Experience the thrill of learning with immersive podcasts, virtual explorations, and cutting-edge content meticulously crafted to align with the APSC syllabus. We are not just coaching, we are your companions on the path to success. Congress leaders of Assam like Gopinath Bordoloi immediately objected to the cabinet mission plan proposal of including Assam in Group C, mainly due to two reasons. First, Assam was already a linguistically different region than Bengal, and secondly, Assam is culturally a distinct place, and if included in Group C, it would lose its identity and will remain merely a Muslim-dominated region. He even proposed a separation of Sylhet district from Assam as the region was demographically different from Assam. The cabinet mission was, however, prepared to continue with their plan, and even central Congress leaders took their time to decide the fate of Assam. In such a dire situation, Gopinath Bordoloi sent two representatives, Bijoy Chandra Bhagawati and Sri Mahendra Mohan Chaudhary, to Sri Rampur on 15 December 1946 to meet Gandhiji and discussed a matter with Congress Working Committee on an urgent basis. Gandhiji's advice to Gopinath Bordoloi. Gandhiji advised Gopinath Bordoloi to not agree for the grouping and lodge its protest and retire from Constituent Assembly. One anthropologist, Nirmal Kumar Basu, who recorded the conversation and published in the Harijan, quoted what Gandhiji advised Assam leaders. It quotes, "Tell Bordoloi, I do not feel the least uneasiness. My mind is made up. Assam must not lose its soul. It must uphold its own against a whole world, or else I will say that Assam has only made mannikins and not men." Gandhiji gave them the examples to show how satyagraha should be done against a Congress for the good of the Congress. This was the inspirational movement which changed the fate of Assam forever. The aftermath. Taking Gandhiji's advice, Assam Congress leaders went on full throttle to save Assam from being a part of the grouping system. The results were promising. Soon after the Congress Working Committee meet on 22 December 1946, Pandit Nehru, J.B. Kripalani and Shankar Rao Deo went to meet Gandhiji personally at Sri Rampur on the question of Assam. At first, these leaders believed that Assam's opposition to the grouping system will only delay the independence. However, Gandhiji stated that each unit must be able to decide and act for itself. At the statement, the Central Congress leaders revisited the cabinet plan and forced the British administration to frame a new plan under new Viceroy Lord Mountbatten. The conclusion. Do you know what else Gandhiji told Assam representatives to do on the matter of protesting against a grouping system? He said, no one can force Assam to do what it wants to do. Whether you have the courage, grit and gumption to do, I do not know. But as soon as Constituent Assembly assembles to vote for the grouping plan, Assam should say, gentlemen, Assam retires. For independence of India, it is the only condition.
Little is known about such interesting historical fact of Assam. How one man at the center, Mahatma Gandhi, and one man in the state, Gopinath Bordoloi, saved Assam from being part of the British machinations and upheld its status as an integral part of India.